Meiosis consists of two cell divisions, namely meiosis 1 and 2. Meiosis 1 is divided into 4 stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase 1. Similarly, meiosis 2 is divided into 4 phases: prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. Meiosis 1 results in 2 haploid daughter cells due to the separation of the homologous chromosomes in the parent cell. Meiosis 2 follows meiosis 1 and results in 4 haploid cells. Meiosis 2 resembles mitosis, as the same number of chromosomes is retained in the daughter cells. Between the two meiotic stages, there is a short-lived resting stage known as interkinesis, during which the DNA doesn't replicate. Interkinesis is followed by prophase 2, a stage that is much simpler than prophase 1. During this phase, the chromosomes get thicker, shorter, and distinct, with each chromosome consisting of 2 chromatids. By the end of this phase, the nucleolus disappears and the nuclear envelope disintegrates. Prophase 2 is followed by metaphase 2. During this phase, the chromosomes move towards the equator and align themselves along the equatorial plane. Bipolar spindles are formed, and the microtubules from the opposite poles of each spindle attach themselves to the kinetochores of the sister chromatids. The next phase of meiosis 2 is anaphase 2. During early anaphase, the centromere of each chromosome divides longitudinally into 2 and splits the chromosome into 2 daughter chromosomes. These daughter chromosomes are then pulled to the opposite poles of the cell during the late anaphase stage. The final phase of meiosis 2 is telophase 2. During this phase, the chromosomes reach the opposite poles and a new nucleus with a nuclear membrane is organized at each pole. Did you know that all 4 nuclei differ from each other in genetic aspects due to the crossing over in prophase 1? Telophase 2 is generally followed by cytokinesis, during which the cytoplasm in each cell is equally divided, resulting in the formation of 4 haploid daughter cells. Meiosis is a significant process in sexually reproducing organisms. Meiosis in germ cells, followed by the fertilization of gametes, restores the chromosome number in the offspring of sexually reproducing organisms. Another significant feature of meiosis is that it leads to variation in offspring due to the crossing over in prophase 1, during which genetic materials recombine. Variation plays a very important role in the process of organic evolution. Meiosis plays a vital role in sexually reproducing organisms. The process takes place only in reproductive cells or germ cells and is also known as reduction division, as the number of chromosomes is reduced to exactly half in the daughter cells.